My connection to nature and land is that I'm nothing more than an intelligent animal, a highly evolved, sophisticated ape, not separate from nature, but a product of it and a part of it. So here are some videos, some short clips of me handling various native spiders. I don't know what the first three are, but the last one is a female redback, which is supposed to be one of the most dangerous and venomous spiders in Australia. Enjoy. Hello you. Do not ask me what kind of spider this is. It's a spider. Found this guy while cleaning. Doesn't look very intimidating, but I'm sure there's someone out there that's terrified of it. Hello, you. In case you're wondering, I returned all of the spiders to the locations where I found them, back to nature, which was mostly the park across the road. None of them were injured and nobody died. Who would have thought?